Cochin International Airport. It is the first airport in India developed under a public-private partnership. It is the largest and busiest airport in the state and serving 65% of the total air passenger movement in Kerala. This airport operates with three terminals: domestic, international, and cargo. The airport was formally inaugurated by the Indian President Mr. K.R. Narayanan on 25th May 1999. It is the world's first fully solar-powered airport and honored with Champion of Earth Award in 2018 from United Nations. In the year of 2019, the airport handled more than 10 million passengers with a total of 72,000 aircraft movements. Cochin Airport is 25 kilometers northeast of the main city, which is accessible by National Highway 544 and 966A. The road is connecting through Aluva, Kalamassery and Edappally towards Ernakulam. Aluva Marthandavarma Bridge was constructed in 1940 and Kochi Metro is also starting from the same place. Kochi Metro started its operation on 17th June 2017. Kochi Metro project is the first metro in the country which connects rail, road and water transport facilities. Edappally St. George Church. It is one of the most beautiful and famous churches in Kerala. Now we are taking our route through the wetlands of Ernakulam to avoid the traffic. This route is passing through the famous fisherman village Moolambilli. Prawns farms, Chinese fishing nets, round-shaped fishing boats. All these can be seen while passing through this route. This road is also called as Container Road as it connects Vallarpadam Container Terminal with the main national highway. A toll booth will come on the way. By the National Highway Authority. Container Rail Bridge, which connects Vallarpadam Container Terminal with Edappally Railway Station. With about 5 kilometers, it is the longest railway bridge in India. The line is dedicated solely for freight. This cross junction connects the roads from Vaipin, Bolgatti, Kalamassery and leads to Ernakulam or Cochin city.